In this module, I'm going to explain to you matching, mirroring, and modeling. Basically, all it is copying the other person's body language. But there's certain things you need to know before you're going about and just copying somebody. Because the reality is it can actually hurt you rather than help you create rapport, trust, and that feeling, that connection with other people if used improperly. The great thing about matching and mirroring is that it has a lot of versatility. You can use it in sales, you can use it in negotiations, you can use it in a job interview, particularly if you're the person interviewing. So you're interviewing the other person, you want to make them relax and open up to you. Matching and mirroring is a very powerful tool. You can use matching and mirroring as a therapist if you're conducting therapy in order to develop that trust and that bond between you and your client. You can use it in dating, developing closer relationships with people that you're going out with for the first time, for example. Or you can use it with your personal relationships when you're trying to connect with other people. Sex therapists use techniques of matching and mirroring when dealing with couples that have issues in the bedroom. For example, breathing. They teach people to breathe at the same rate when they're having intimate relationships. The reason being is they found that people relax and they connect. And it's a very, very effective technique. So there's a freebie. But we're going to talk about matching and mirroring more in the context of business and with relationships, because this is an interpersonal course and we're not getting into sex therapy. Though that might be a good idea for another course in the future. Continuing on. These techniques allow you to build rapport, trust, and confidence with people very, very quickly. So matching, mirroring, and modeling are very useful techniques.